Hey Johan, according to your guidance, we will shoot a video which will show you how payment system and how everything works. Alright, so this is something which is regular intro, and this is something which is going on and on without a stop. So you will have to, the client will hear always the speech, the voice of the machine, and also you will see a graphic in this window. Now it says you could put a coin or a credit card, and you could use the machine. And machine now is telling that you could remove all the stains and the germs and bacteria from the upholstery of the car. Now it says that you have three options or three programs: vacuuming, steam and vacuum, steam vacuum with the detergent. This one here also suggests that it is good for allergic people who has allergies. And again, we have information: put money in it, and you could use the machine in order to clean upholstery. So this is something which is going on and on. As far as the volume, it is adjustable. We intentionally set it up where it is right now, so it is not bothering us while the machines are being tested. So it might be set up by the client. You could turn it off permanently as just switching off the speakers, or you could make it much louder than it is. All right, so let's go ahead and try to see how the payment system look like. Alright, so now what he did, he pressed the button because this machine has only a banknote and coin acceptor. So there was only one option, which was payment by cash. If there is a credit card payment, there is gonna be another option, hit credit card. Okay, so now you see that it says cash payment, and you see a month of money. Now it's zero, obviously, and time you purchase it. Here it says you could insert a banknote, or you could insert the coin. Let's put some coins in it. All right, so now you see that we insert one coin, and for the test, we are setting a machine that one coin will give you one zloty, which is about 25 euro cents, will give you about 30 seconds. So that's how it works. And now machine is waiting for the client to confirm. All right, and now machine is asking to choose the program you desire to go with, which is vacuum, steam and vacuum, steam, detergent, and vacuum. So we're hitting vacuum cleaner. All right, and you have an instruction that you have to vacuum the upholstery. Now machine is suggesting to go with two other programs, either steam detergent or just steam. We are choosing steam and vacuum, or steam vacuum detergent. When you hit the trigger, that's when machine actually started to count seconds and is actually charging client for the service. All right. All right, so something we couldn't show you before is the payment with the card. Basically, when you're choosing a type of the payment, you will have option also to choose not only banknotes, but you will have option to choose the credit card. Once you're gonna hit it, then machine will ask you to insert the credit card, or do the pay pass, or use different a different payment acceptor, but before it will happen, it will ask the client what is the amount clients want to choose. So it could be €1, €2, €5, €10, whatever the number you decided to go with, or client will decide to go with. We need information from you to set the right amount, and then it will ask client to use card to be charged. And that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to send you another video if that will be not fully understandable by you. Thank you.